Hi, Patty Pabon of Forward in Freedom. Let's talk about negative mindsets and false beliefs today. The negative thoughts that overwhelms us daily. There is an amazing book called Battlefield of the Mind by Joyce Myers that will transform your life and change your way of thinking. If you have not read this book, I encourage you to get it, read it, and apply it to your life. My greatest passion is to see women walk in total freedom and for them to live a victorious life that God has intended them to live. Listen, if He did it for me, He can do it for anyone. God has an investment in your life, and His desire is to help you overcome any issue that masters your life and doesn't allow you to move forward to obtain all that God has for you. Often the question arises, how can I accomplish this freedom you are talking about? How can I do this, Patty? Today I'm here to tell you, give you 3 steps in how you can master and overcome those voices in your mind. First is submitting and recognizing that you have an issue. Secondly, identifying the root cause of the behavior, when it began and how it began. Most of the time is a trauma or a bad experience, a bad childhood experience that obscured your thinking pattern that occurred when you were a child. And this will affect your emotional, relational, and spiritual development. And 3, seek help. Get counseling. Don't do this by yourself. We are not intended to be lone rangers. We need to get help. Someone to help you, walk you through this process. You know, there was this young lady by the name of Shayna. 3 years ago, she came up to me asking for help. She was a broken young lady, angry, bitter, insecure, and full of anxiety. She hated and blamed God for what she went through as a child. Once Shayna began to identify the root cause of her pain and hurt and talk about those deepest hurt from her childhood, God began to renew her mind and He healed her heart. It was a long process, but now Shayna is walking in victory. No longer she's being pulled by the pain and the hurt of her past. You can see the joy of the Lord in her life. She is now working a full-time job, free from anxiety and living on her own. For Shayna, this is huge. So today I encourage you to find out the root cause of what's holding you back and not allowing you to move forward to obtain all that God has for you. Remember, God wants to invest in your life, to live a life of freedom abundantly in Him. With God, all things are possible. Thank you, and God bless you.